right, so what just happened, Andrea?
Sold my house.
And are you happy?
Elated. Super happy.
And who was your realtor?
Marnie Pedersen.
And do you have any recommendations for anybody looking to sell their house in the near future or buy?
Do your research, go online, check out Marnie's website, and I'm sure you'll be happy to take her on.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Lex, you gonna put the sold sign up for us?
Yeah. Get together.
Get some help. This is my toboggan buddy. Yay!
Yeah! Gotta move it over just a little bit. There you go. Ta-da! Yay! Turn around, bud.
For more information on this or any of our other listings, visit us on our YouTube channel at gettingyouhome.tv, on Instagram or Facebook. We are Getting You Home.